Welcome to a new video where we will dive into a common problem encountered when working with Number and NumPy. The problem arises when Number automatically converts NumPy integer types into Python ints, causing casting warnings and unnecessary casts between JIT functions. This can be quite frustrating, especially when the return value needs to maintain a specific NumPy data type. Now, let's explore the solution to this problem. The first approach provided involves creating a number function that uses NumPy to define the return value with the correct type. By creating an empty array with the desired data type and assigning the result to it, we ensure that the return value behaves like a scalar but maintains the correct type. This approach is clean, less verbose, interoperable with other number functions, and ensures that the return value is of a desired type. Continuing with the solution, we have an alternative implementation that avoids memory allocation, making it more efficient in performance-critical scenarios. This approach defines a return record manually and passes it as a parameter to the JIT function. By explicitly specifying the type of the return value and using a structured array, we can ensure that the result maintains the desired NumPy data type. This implementation is ideal for scenarios where memory efficiency is crucial. Moving on to the execution of the code, we can see that the function returns the desired result with the correct data type. By implementing these solutions, we can effectively handle the issue of NumPy integer type conversions in number functions, allowing for seamless interoperability and performance optimization. In summary, we have explored two efficient solutions to overcome the problem of NumPy integer type conversions in number functions. By utilizing specific NumPy data types and structured arrays, we can ensure that the return values maintain the desired data type. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching and happy coding!